friends, how are you? In this video we are going to study 8th standard chapter number 1 practice set 1.3. So before practice set 1.3 we are going to study here decimal representation of rational number. See, rational numbers, there are two types of decimal form, means terminating decimal form and a non-terminating recurring decimal form. So let's first terminating. What is mean by terminating decimal form? Here suppose example 1/2, which is 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. So you divide 1 by 2. Don't mistake here. Here divisor is 2. So write here and 1 is dividend. You know 1 is smaller than 2. So here write 0 as a quotient. After give decimal point. If you give decimal point, then you give number of 0 on the number, means here I am taking 0 on 1, number become 10. 2 stable 2 5s are 10. Okay, so here answer is 0.5, means 1/2 answer is 0.5. Here remainder is 0, means it is called terminating decimal form. Understand, here remainder is 0, then it is called terminating decimal form. You write in your notebook also. After non-terminating recurring, here example 7/6, 7 numerator and 6 on the denominator, 7 dividend, 6 quotient. So here write 7 number divisible by 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 1. Here take decimal point on the quotient, then write here 0. 6 ones are 6. 10 minus 6 again 4. Here due to the decimal point again take 0. 6 6 are 36. Again subtraction. So which remainder, again you know 40 minus 36, remainder is 4. Again take 0. Again here write 6 6 are 36. Again remainder is 0, means which quotient again and again come 6 6 6, and which remainder again and again here which digit 4, means here how you write 7/6 is equal to 1.16. Here dot, means here 6 is repeated again and again, 1.16 and its number is repeated. Okay, understand? Now here let's see practice set 1.3. In this practice set 1.3, see here which question? Write the following rational numbers in decimal form, which is first 9/37. See here 9/37, means here 9 is dividend and 37 is divisor. So how you write here? Means 9 divisible by 37. So first make the table of 37, the 2-digit number. So I am writing here first 3's table and then 7's table. See here 3's table and 7's table. Here 37 ones are 37. 7 2s are 14 here. 4 on the unit place. So write as it is. And this tens place and this number. Add this. Okay, 6 plus 1 7. Say how to make 2-digit number. 2-digit tables. 4 as it is unit place, 6 plus 1 7. Unit place you must write as it is, 1 as it is, 9 plus 2 11. 8 as it is, 12 plus 2 14, 5 as it is, 15 plus 3 18, 2 keep as it is, see here, and 18 plus 4 22, 9 keep as it is, 21 plus 4 25, 6 keep as it is, 24 plus 5 29, and here 6 as it is, 27 plus 6 33. So make addition, unit place keep as it is and remaining addition. Okay, understand how to make 2-digit tables. Now see here, 9 is smaller than 37, so write here 0 quotient, take decimal point. If you take decimal point, give 0. Which is a smaller number in 37 than 90? 37 2s are 74, so I am writing here. Now make subtraction. 10 minus 4 6, 9 gives the borrow 8, 8 minus 7 1. Again take 0, it's a 160. Which number smaller here? 148. 1 2 3 4, 4s are, okay, 37 4s are 148. So minus sign here, again subtraction. 10 minus 8 2, 6 gives the borrow means 5, 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 1 0. Again take 0, okay, understand, then number becomes 120. Which number then smaller? 111, means 3s are 111. See here, make again subtraction. 10 minus 1 9, 2 gives the borrow 0 0, again take 0 90. So 37 2s are 74, which is smaller than 90. Understand, take smaller numbers in from 37 table. Here 10 minus 4 6, 9 gives the borrow means 8, 8 minus 7, yes, which number? 1, means 16. Here 16, and in second step here 16 remainder also come again and again, means from this you can again repeat this division. So here write dot dot dot, means again here how you write answer? 9 upon 37 is equal to, see, 0.2432 dot dot dot. Okay, understand, see here, here again 9, again 16, see 9 means which is a first number 9, okay. So here from repeat again and again. Which number repeat again and again? 2 4 3, again 2 4 3, like that way, 2 4 3 2 4 3, means this is a 0.243 and gives line, okay. Draw the line on that number which come again and again in the question. This is called non-terminating recurring decimal form, okay. Understand, means in this type remainder is not equal to 0. Here not remainder 0, but again and again repeat dividend. So this is called non-terminating recurring. Do you understand? Okay, now let's see second sum. Which is a second sum? See here, 18 upon 42. So second sum 18 upon 42 means 18 divisible by 42. So first make, yes, 42's table. How I made? First 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8. See here, write 4's table and here write 2's table. 42 as it is, 84 as it is. Why here not any tens place in 2's table? See here, so 84 write as it is. Here 126 also as it is, because here not tens place. 168 as it is. Here 0 as it is, and this tens place add to 20. 20 plus 1 21. 2 keep as it is. 24 plus 1 25. Okay, understand, this add tens place you add to that number. Here 4 as it is. 28 plus 1 29. 6 as it is. 32 plus 1 36. 36 plus 1 37 and 8 keep as it is. Now see here 18 is smaller than 42, so here write 0 as a quotient and take point. If you take point, write 0. Yes, 180. 180, which number smaller in 42's table? 168 means 4s are, okay, 1 2 3 4s are 168, okay. It's very important. 10 minus 8 2, 8 gives the borrow, 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 1 0, 12 means 120. Which number smaller? It's a 84 means 84 means 42 2s are 84, so write here 84. Make subtraction. 0 means 10, 2 gives the borrow means 1, 10 minus 4 6, here 1 means again borrow, 11 minus 8 it's a 3, again 0, 360. See which number here? 336. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8s are 336, right here. Again subtraction. 10 minus 6 4, 6 gives the borrow, 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 3 0, again 0 to 40. Which number smaller? 210. 1 2 3 4 5, okay, understand, it's a 210. 0 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 2 0, again 0. 300 means which number smaller? 294. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, understand, means 7s are 294. Now this 10 minus 4 6, see here 10 means but gives the borrow means 9 minus 9 and 0, 2 minus 2 0, again take 0, become 60. Then 42 1s are 42. See here 10 minus 2 8, 6 gives the borrow means 5 minus 4 1. See here dividend. What is dividend? It's a 18 means again come, means again 4 2 8 5 7 quotient. These digits are repeated in the quotient, so here you give dot dot dot. Therefore 18 upon 42 is equal to 0.42857 and dot dot dot, and 0.42857 is a non-terminating recurring, mean these digits in the quotient repeat again and again. This is called non-terminating recurring, okay, understand. So for this division means rational numbers in the decimal form, you must first write the table and then you can, yes, do the division, okay, understand. Now this is third one, which is 9 upon 14. So here third 9 upon 14 means 9 is divisible by, yes, 14. So here write first 14's table. You know it is very easy. If you don't understand, again write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, and then 4's table and then you do addition. I am writing here directly because it is very easy table. So here 9 again smaller number, so write here 0, take point. If you take point 0 become 90. Yes, 14 6 are 84, okay, means you know 90 means 10 and 9 gives the borrow, it's a 8 means 10 minus 4 6, here 8 minus 8 0, it's a 60. Now again 0 if you take become number 60. 14 4s are 56. Here again 10 minus 6 4, 5 minus 5 0, again 0. 14 2s are 24. 8. Okay, understand? Then here 10 minus 8 2, 4 gives the borrow means 3 minus 2 1. Again take 0, it's become 120. Yes, 14, I think 8s are, okay, 14 8s are 112. 14 8s are 112. Your reminder again 8. Here 10 minus 2 8, 1 minus 1 0 0. Again taking 0, become 80. Then 14 5s are 70, smaller than 80. So 14 5s are 70. Here reminder is 10. Again take 0, 100. 14 7s are, see here, 14 7s are 98. Okay, understand? Here 10, here gives, here 0 means 10 but gives the borrow from 1. Then 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 9 0, and here also 0. Again take 0, 20 means 14 1s are 14. Here again 10 minus 4 6, 0, again 0, become 60. 14 4s are 56 here, and then reminder is 0. See here, from which number repeat come again and again? Yes, tell me. 4. Yes, here this 60 repeat again and again. Okay, means which number? From 4 here. See here, this again repeat 4 means 6 quotient not repeated, means 9 reminder not, means 9 digit it is not come again and again, but 6 reminder here come, and from 6 this quotient again, this division also repeated, means quotient from 4 2 8 5 7 1 4, it's again repeated. So how you write answer? Means 9 upon 14, okay, 0.64285714. Which number repeat? Yes, tell me. Yes, hello. 4 number. See here in the question. Here 4 again repeat. So draw the line from 4. Okay, understand? And this is non-terminating recurring. Okay, understand? That is example 3 of practice set 1.3. Now see example 4. Minus 103 divided by 5. You know 5 stable and it's a easy sum. Okay, so I am writing here. See the division. Don't consider minus sign when you do the division. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, first 2 digit 0, taking again 3 downside. Okay, so it is smaller than 5, so write 0. Okay, means here 3 minus 0 3, and take decimal point and write 0. 5 6 are 30. Okay, understand this? Here reminder is 0, so I am writing here answer minus 103 upon 5 is equal to, yes, now give the minus sign to the quotient 20.6. it is here reminder is 0, so it is called terminating. Okay, decimal form. Do you understand? Now see fifth one. 11 minus 11 upon 13, minus 11 upon 13. I think you know 13 stable, so I am not writing here. You will save also do it. Here 11 divisible by 13, again 0, here 0, 11, take point. If you take point here 110, 13 8s are, you know 13 8s are 104. Okay, then 10 minus 4 6, 1 gives the borrow means 0, 1 minus 1 0. Again 60, 13 4s are 52. 10 minus 2 8, 6 gives the borrow means 5, here 10. Okay, 5 minus 5 0, here 18. You know 13 6 are 78. So here 10, here 7, 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 7 0. Again take 0. You know 13 ones are 13. So you know 20 minus 13, its answer is yes 7. Again take 0. 13 5s are 65. So here answer again here 5. After take again 0. 13 3s are 39, and here now remainder is yes 11. Here see 10 minus 9 1, 5 gives the borrow means 4, 4 minus 3 1. Here remainder is yes 11. See which is a dividend, means again this repeated, means dot 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 from which again repeat here. If you 0 add on 11 110, means from here this division is repeated, means again in the question 8 4 6 1 5 3 digits repeated. So I am writing here minus 11 upon 13 is equal to, yes write minus sign, otherwise it's a wrong. Minus 0.846153, it's a repeated again. Okay, means recurring. These digits are repeated, so write line or draw the line on the digits, means it is called non-terminating recurring. Okay, all of you, do you understand this 1.3? I think understand. It's so easy method for making two digit numbers table also. So you must watch this video, and if you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, understand?